This is text 10 of chapter 30 of the Rasa Lila and Dasma Skanda, 10th canto. This is the actual meter is called Vasant Tilak. Yesterday I said the chandas of these particular shlokas. I said Tilak, but it's actually called Vasant Tilak chandas, meter, which is something like the Brahma Samhita, which there's different ways to say that, but Kim te kritam shitita po bata keshavangri sparshot savot pulakitanga ruher vibhasi apyangri sambhava oru krama vikramadhva ahovaraha vapusha parirambanena ahovaraha vapusha parirambanena. Translation. So now the gopis have asked the various grand living entities living in the forest. They're in the forest, and what does the forest mean? The denizens and inhabitants of the forest are the trees and the latas, creepers and flowers. And it's nighttime. This is Ratri Lila, Nisha Lila, Ras Lila. So there are not too many deer walking around. The birds are hiding in the branches of the trees, sleeping, so they can't inquire from the birds or the deer. They certainly are not going to inquire from the black leopards and tigers because fortunately, they're far away somewhere in the caves of Govardhan or somewhere. So there's just the trees and the plants. So now they've run out of options. They've run out of personalities and living entities to inquire from. So then they're looking this way. Oh, trees. Oh, we already asked the trees. They gaze up like this. The gopis are gazing up. Well, gopis, what to do? We still have not found Krishna. We're desperate. We're mad. And we've asked the trees, and we've looked down. Our glance went downward, and we asked the shrubs and tulsi and the bushes. And there's nothing left. Then one gopi says, well, what about the earth? What about the soil, Bhumika? What about Mother Bhumi? We haven't asked her. Oh, yes, let's ask her. So they say, oh, Mother Earth. And they talk about Vraha, because everything has all these verses the gopis are speaking, asking trees and creepers. They're kind of what's mixed in with those verses is the idea of a male and female coming together, of a male species. The creeper, oh trees, the creepers are wrapped around you, so the male trees and the female creepers. So this is the amorous combination of the male and female.